Hello, and welcome to today's video on how to program yourself for wealth, success, and happiness. Have you ever tried affirmations? They changed my life and can help you too become a whole new and improved person. Through affirmations, you will become successful, happy, and rich. You will become healthier. And through the positive phrases in your life, you will become an optimistic and better person. Have fun discovering these life-changing phrases. But first, what are affirmations? Affirmations are positive self-talk and beliefs that can make you feel more self-confident, self-accepting, and self-loving. You can overcome negative thoughts and patterns. Through affirmations, you have a clear purpose. You increase your self-confidence and inner peace, which make you feel more motivated and feel happiness. You will become a successful person on all levels of your life. How do you best use affirmations for yourself? They can be spoken loud or repeated in your mind and are designed to help improve your self-image and emphasize your strengths and abilities. They are used to visualize and manifest positive thoughts and ensure positive thinking. Affirmations work best when they are phrased in the present tense, believable, and in alignment with your values. Phrase them as if you have already achieved them. It may take a while for you to feel the effect of affirmations, but regular repetition will help you bring about positive change. Please do the affirmations for at least 30 days in a row. But who came up with the brilliant idea of affirmations in the first place? The theory of affirmations can be traced back to the work of psychologists and therapists in the field of positive and behavioral psychology. One of the pioneers of this theory is the American psychologist and behavioralist Dr. Emily Koo, lived 1857 to 1926, who developed the method of autosuggestion, in which people repeat positive affirmations to change their behavior and attitude. In the 1960s and 1970s, the method of affirmations was further developed by other therapists and psychologists who focused on using positive statements to improve self-confidence and self-esteem. Since then, the theory of affirmations has undergone numerous changes and advancements and is now an important part of positive psychology and behavioral psychotherapy. Now, let's get started with affirmations that will change your life. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and wealthy. I attract wealth and prosperity into my life because I am willing to give everything for it. Every day, I work hard and focus on my goals. I am aware of my skills and talents and know that I deserve to be financially successful. I am a magnet for money and abundance, and I open myself to all opportunities that come my way. I invest in myself and my future, and I know that through my hard work and dedication, I can achieve anything I desire. I am grateful for my financial abundance and for all that the universe gives me. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and wealthy. I am creative and always finding new ways to make more money. I invest in myself and my future because I am worth it to myself. I am a positive person who has a positive attitude towards money. As a result, I attract money and use my motivation to make more money. I am creative and always find new ways to make more money. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and rich. I am financially free and independent. Every day I feel secure and calm because I control my finances and achieve my goals. I am able to make good financial decisions, and I know I will always have enough money to meet my needs and wants. I am grateful for all the money that comes my way and for the opportunities I have to attract even more abundance into my life. I recognize that money is a means to do good, and I am willing to be generous and help those in need. I know that all the good in life will find its way back to me and that I will attract even more abundance into my life through my generosity and compassion. I open myself to all opportunities to further my financial growth, and I am willing to work hard to achieve my dreams. I am financially free and independent. I don't let fear or doubt hold me back, and I trust that the universe will always take care of me. I am ready to enjoy my financial freedom and live life to the fullest. I am financially free and independent. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and rich. I am valuable and deserve love and respect. I accept myself as I am and love myself unconditionally. I am proud of my achievements and appreciate my talents. I am slim, healthy, and strong. I respect and love my body. I am willing and able to take good care of my body. I make healthy choices and lead a healthy lifestyle by eating healthy and exercising a lot. This gives me strength, energy, and stamina to achieve my goals. I have enough energy and stamina to achieve everything I want. I am healthy and full of energy. My body is strong and resilient, and I feel fit and vital. I take good care of myself, and I make sure I eat a balanced diet and get enough exercise. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and rich. I am full of optimism and confidence. Every day I feel my mood improving, and I motivate myself to make the most of my life. I am aware that I have the power to shape my own life, and that through my thoughts and actions, I am able to make my dreams come true. I do everything I can to make sure my body and mind are well. I pay attention to what I eat and drink, and I exercise regularly to stay fit and healthy. I take care of my mental health by surrounding myself with positive people and directing my thoughts towards good. I know that my body and mind are inextricably linked, and that I can only truly be successful if I take care of both. I trust in the abilities I possess, and I am grateful for all my excellent talents. I know that I am brilliant and wonderful, and that I can make a valuable contribution to the world through my unique skills and talents. I am ready to develop my talents and use them for the benefit of others. I am full of optimism and confidence. I am sure that the universe will always take care of me, and that I can achieve anything I set my mind to. I do not let doubts or fears stop me, and I courageously go my way. I am ready to realize my full potential and enjoy life to the fullest. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and rich. I am talented. I am creative. I am motivated and dedicated. I am the best in my professional field, and I do great work. I do my work excellently. I am ready to solve problems and overcome all challenges. Once I have mastered a problem, I immediately look for a new, bigger problem to grow on. I learn something for myself and my life from every challenge. I grow beyond myself every day. I take on new challenges and grow from them. I am willing to work hard and give my best. I am confident and present myself competently and seriously in any professional situation. I am talented. I am creative. I am motivated and dedicated. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and rich. I am happy and grateful for all that I have already achieved and will achieve in life. I seek and appreciate happiness in every single moment. I am surrounded by love and support. I look for the right environment in which I can grow and fly. I am surrounded by people who want only the best for me and support me in all projects. I accept myself as I am, and I am happy with that. I am grateful for the little things in life that make me happy. I spread joy and positive energy. I deserve to be happy and achieve my own dreams for myself. I am ready to embrace change and let happiness into my life. I am happy and grateful for all that I have already achieved and will achieve in life. I am complete and whole exactly as I am. Every day I recognize more and more my uniqueness and appreciate my abilities. I know that I don't have to be perfect to be loved and appreciated. I am enough and feel content with myself. I accept my strengths and weaknesses and treat myself lovingly. I don't judge myself for my mistakes, and I don't let my fears and doubts rule me. I know that I grow and develop through my challenges and experiences. I love and appreciate myself exactly as I am. I acknowledge my values and goals and walk my path with confidence and self-assurance. I know that I can achieve anything I set my mind to if I believe in myself and work hard. I am complete and whole just the way I am. I am aware that I am a valuable and unique person who can make a positive contribution to the world. I am grateful for my gifts and talents, and I am willing to use them for the benefit of others. I feel confident and content with myself. I know that I have everything I need to live a happy and fulfilling life. I let my self-love and self-confidence grow every day, and I look forward to everything life has in store for me. I am a successful and talented person who strives for growth and progress. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and rich. I am living my dream. I am balanced, successful, happy, healthy, and rich. Repeat this video every day for 30 days. Have fun with your new routine and your new life. Regular repetition makes the positive pattern consistent and reinforces the effect of affirmations. If you repeat positive affirmations over a 30-day period, you will create a series of changes in your brain. Here are 5 unbeatable arguments for repeating affirmations for at least 30 days in a row from now on. By repeating affirmations constantly, your brain can build new beliefs that are more positive and supportive than the previous ones. As a result, you will achieve much more in your own life than before, and much more than you could ever dream of. By repeating the positive affirmations, you will overcome negative thought patterns that have become embedded in your brain over time. You will detach yourself from all the negativity that has been with you. You become an optimistic, happy, healthy, and wealthy person. By repeating affirmations that improve your self-image, your self-confidence will be strengthened. You will finally learn to love yourself and recognize yourself as the most important person to yourself. Positive affirmations help reinforce positive emotions, such as self-esteem and contentment. You will finally be able to feel happiness. They help change your thought pattern by replacing negative thought patterns with positive ones. That's it for today's video. Have you been able to make changes in your life through affirmations?